In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send invoices in QuickBooks Online. If you've been on the fence about managing your invoices digitally, or simply want to get the most out of your QuickBooks subscription, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this straightforward process together, so let's dive in and get started. First things first, we need to sign in. Open up QuickBooks Online, and you'll see the sign in button waiting for you. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked sign in, you'll be presented with options to select the specific QuickBooks service you want to use. Here, we'll choose QuickBooks Online, which is perfect for managing your business finances on the go. After selecting QuickBooks Online, the next step is to type in your credentials. These are your email and password associated with your QuickBooks account. Once you've filled in this information, click Continue. Don't worry if you have enabled two-step verification, you'll just need to complete that process before entering the dashboard. Now that we're inside, it's time to start creating your invoice. In the main navigation panel, look for the New button and click it. This opens up a drop-down menu with several options, but our focus is on finding Invoice. It's right there, so go ahead and click on Invoice to bring up the invoice creation screen. The invoice screen is where all the magic happens. First, let's add a customer to the invoice. You'll notice a field labeled customer at the top of the page. Click on it and select the appropriate customer from your list. If it's a new customer, you can add them directly through the interface. Remember, assigning the correct customer is crucial for ensuring they receive the invoice promptly. Next, we'll add the products or services you provided. There's a dedicated section for this on the invoice screen. Click Add Product or Service to start listing what you're invoicing for. You can select from existing items or create new ones if it's something unique. Make sure you include detailed descriptions to prevent any confusion from your customer. With the products or services listed, let's move on to any applicable taxes. QuickBooks lets you easily incorporate sales tax directly into your invoice. There's an option labeled Tax where you can specify the rate that applies. This ensures you're compliant with local tax regulations and prevents any issues down the road. Finally, with everything set, it's time to save and send your invoice. There's a Save and Send button that will finalize your creation. Clicking this will prompt QuickBooks to generate a digital invoice and email it to your client automatically. Double check the email details and ensure everything looks perfect before hitting send. And there you have it. You've just created and sent an invoice using QuickBooks Online. This simple process not only streamlines your billing procedures, but also presents a professional image to your clients. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be creating invoices with ease. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.